celebrating a birthday like this, especially a big one for Yinche, you know, we got to see her grow up, just shows that we get to grow up with all of you guys, you know, and to see Yinche, we've known since she was 15, you know, I feel like sometimes she's older than us. You know, she's so wise and so mature for her age, and she's been through a lot, and it's really beautiful to sort of be here to watch her grow and to be the people, to be around her and to give her all the love and the care that she deserves. And I'm really grateful because, Yinche, you have everybody here and the whole world loving you. And that's just gonna make all the years to come so exciting, and I'm very excited for you. And I love you so much.